Open a new project and import all your clips. Make sure you have 5 beats in total. This is beat 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Start by hiding the 2 cutouts of the person you're editing, and go to the picture at the top, click Move and Transform, and add position keyframes at the start and beat 3. On the first keyframe, move your layer to the right. And in between, add this midgraph. Click on the 3 dots and copy the curve. Go to the layer at the bottom and add position keys at the same places. Now on keyframe 2, move your layer to the left completely. And paste the curve in between. Click on the plus icon and add a rectangle. Click on the 3 dots at the top and fill the composition area. Adjust the duration of the rectangle so that it fits the entire project. Then select the 3 layers like shown in the video. And click on the middle grouping option at the top. Zoom this out so it fits the frame. Duplicate the group. Go to the one on the bottom and click Color and Fill. Select the bucket and make sure to select the color white. Now go to Move and Transform and scale this a bit so that it creates a border around the picture. Now add another rectangle and resize it so it covers the name. Click Color and Fill, click on the eyedropper, and select this color. Adjust the duration of the rectangle. And now add a text and type in the name. Adjust its color to be white, and then adjust the position of the text. You can also add a stroke to make it bold. Put the person cutouts at the top of all of the layers and place them on the map as you wish. Go to Effects, add Wipe. Make the angle 90 degrees. and then add start keyframes on beat 3 and here, before beat 4. On the first keyframe, make the number 100. In between, add this graph. Now copy the same effect for the other picture. This time add keyframes on beat 4 and a little before beat 5. Now go to Object and Element and add a null layer. Connect all BO layers to the null. Go to the null and add position keyframes at the start and beat 3. Decrease the Z to zoom in your layer. Paste the curve in between. Now add another null on beat 2. Connect null 1 to null 2. And on null 2, add position keyframes at the start and beat 4. On the second keyframe, add just your null. And paste your curve. Now on beat 3, add another null. Connect null 2 to null 3. Adjust the duration of the nulls. And now add position keyframes here at the start and end. And adjust the position of the second keyframe. And then paste the curve in between. Lastly, add a rectangle at the start of the entire project. Click on the 3 dots and click Fit Composition Area. Then adjust the duration of the rectangle and group all of your layers using the middle option at the top. Now you can add your effects to spice up the transition.